Imagine a metal so strong it can survive the fiery heat of a jet engine, yet light enough to be worn as a watch or a pair of glasses. A metal that never rusts, even in seawater, and is so safe that doctors place it inside the human body as implants. This is
Titanium, a metal so strong, so light, and so rare that for nearly 150 years, humans didn't know how to use it. It was hiding in plain sight, inside sand, rocks, and mountains, but nobody could unlock its true power. Today, titanium is used in airplanes, rockets, medical implants, deep-sea submarines, and even military armor. But how did it begin? Who discovered it? Why is it so expensive? And how does raw sand turn into one of the strongest metals on Earth? This is the complete story of titanium. When titanium was first discovered in 1791 by an English clergyman and mineral enthusiast named William Gregor in Cornwall, England. He found a strange black sand near a river. It was magnetic, heavier than normal sand, and didn't melt easily. He named the mysterious element miniconite, but in 1795, a German chemist, Martin Heinrich Klopp, officially named it titanium after the titans of Greek mythology: powerful, indestructible, fearless. The name was perfect. Why it took 150 years to use titanium. Even after its discovery, nobody could use titanium. Why? Because titanium is locked inside minerals like root. These minerals are extremely stable, almost impossible to break apart. Scientists tried for decades and failed. Finally, in 1940, an American chemist named William Kroll created the first successful method to extract pure titanium metal. It was called the Kroll process. This changed everything. When titanium was first produced in the world, the first industrial titanium production began in the United States. In 1948, during the Cold War, titanium was strong, light, corrosion-proof, and perfect for fighter jets, submarines, military armor, missiles. America used titanium to build aircraft like SR-71 Blackbird, a 12-ox F-14 Tomcat. Titanium became a national security asset. Which countries produce titanium today? Today, the major titanium-producing countries include top titanium producers: China, largest producer; Japan, Russia, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, United States, India. These nations run giant titanium factories that convert raw ore into sponge, ingots, and sheets. How titanium is made. 3. Mining. Titanium ore is mined from beaches, riverbeds, and mountains. Most titanium comes from ilmenite and rutile. Crushing and separation. The ore is separated using magnetic systems, gravity separation, electrostatic separation, chemical conversion. The ore is converted into titanium tetrachloride, a liquid full of chlorine vapor. For the Kroll process, the tickwhack is mixed with magnesium in a vacuum furnace at 10 degrees Celsius. This produces titanium sponge, the first usable form of titanium metal. 5. Melting. Titanium sponge is melted 2 to 3 times to remove impurities. 6. Casting. Then it's cast into bars, sheets, ingots, wires. This titanium is ready for airplanes, rockets, and surgical implants. How strong is titanium? Titanium is famous for one reason. It is as strong as steel, but 45% lighter. Strength to weight ratio number 1 among all metals humans use. Other qualities: it doesn't rust, even in seawater. It survives 30 degrees Fahrenheit, 1650 grados in certain alloys. It is non-toxic and safe for the human body. It is extremely hard to break. Where titanium is used: aerospace, jet engines, aircraft frames, rocket parts, spacecraft, military, submarines, armor plating, missile components, medical, artificial hips, dental implants, bone plates, pacemaker cases. Your body accepts titanium naturally. That's why implants last decades. Industrial, power plants, chemical factories, deep-sea pipes, oil rigs, consumer products, premium watches, smartphones, laptops, eyeglass frames, sports equipment. Titanium is everywhere, but you rarely notice it. Why titanium is so expensive? Titanium is not rare. The Earth is full of titanium more than copper, zinc, or nickel. So why is it costly? Because extracting and purifying titanium is expensive. Reasons for high cost: complex chemical processing, high heat extraction, multi-stage melting, expensive equipment, long manufacturing time. This is why titanium products cost more. Titanium price today: average market prices. Raw titanium, or $1 $3 per kilogram. Titanium sponge, $6 $12 per kilogram. Titanium sheets, plates, $20 $40 per kilogram. Aerospace grade titanium, $60 $120 per kilogram. Prices varied by purity and application. 10. Fun facts about titanium. Titanium is used in the Mars rover. Many luxury watches use grade 5 titanium. The human body does not reject titanium implants. Titanium sports cars, titanium knives, titanium bikes, all exist. Titanium is part of our everyday lives, silently, powerfully. From a strange black sand found in England to the metal that powers jets, rockets, submarines, and medical miracles, titanium has become one of the most important materials of modern civilization. It is strong, it is light, it is almost indestructible, and its story is far from over.